Someone asks you for the signed contract on a job from 6 months ago. You know you have it, you just have to find it. It's either in the email somewhere, or maybe printed it in a folder, or possibly in a text thread, or maybe your office person saved it somewhere on their computer. This is the operational version of the scheduling problem we talked about in video 6. Information that exists but can't be found quickly isn't really information, it's friction. Today I'm going to walk you through how to build a complete operational filing system for your business using Google Drive. Free, accessible from anywhere, set up in an afternoon. There are a lot of software tools that promise to organize a trade's business. Some of them are genuinely good. Most of them cost money, require training, and take weeks to implement. Google Drive requires none of that. It's free. Your team almost certainly already has Gmail accounts. It works on any device. Files update in real time and are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. And it scales. A solo operator and a 10-person crew can both use the exact same system. The goal isn't to find the perfect software. The goal is to get organized, and the best system is the one you'll actually use. Google Drive has the lowest barrier to entry of anything available, and that matters when you're already running full speed. Free tools used consistently beat expensive tools used inconsistently every single time. Start by creating one master company folder in Google Drive. Everything lives inside. Share this folder with anyone who needs access to company files. Inside the company folder, you need 6 subfolders. Active jobs. Every job currently in progress, this is the folder your crew accesses daily. Completed jobs. Finished jobs archived by year. When a job closes, it moves here. Your active folder stays clean and your records go back as far as you need them. Templates. Every document you reuse lives here. Job doc template, scope of work template, change order template, onboarding checklist, work standards. You copy from this folder, you never edit the originals. Admin and HR. Employee documents, certifications, insurance certificates, payroll records, company licenses, anything administrative that doesn't belong to a specific job. Suppliers and vendors. You got price lists, product specs, account numbers, contacts. When material prices change, you update one document and everyone has the current number. Finance. You got invoices, receipts, job costing summaries, expense records, organized by month or by year depending on your volume. 6 folders, every piece of information in your business has a home. Every job gets its own folder inside Active Jobs. Name it consistently. Job number, year, and customer last name. Something like 2026-047-Smith. That naming convention means jobs sort chronologically, stay searchable, and never get confused with each other. Inside each job folder, you might need 5 items. The job document, which is copied from your template. This is the single source of truth we built in video 6. Has customer info, scope, materials, schedule, notes. Everyone on the job references this document. It gets updated in real time as things change. Next, you'll want to have the signed scope of work or contract. A PDF of the signed document, no exceptions. If a customer signed a paper copy, photograph it and upload it. If they signed electronically, save the confirmation. You need a record that they agreed to the scope before work began. You'll want to have a photos subfolder. 3 categories inside of it for before, during, and after. Before photos document site conditions prior to any work. During photos document progress and any issues discovered. After photos document the completed job. These protect you in a dispute and build a portfolio of your work over time. Then you'll have permits and approvals folder. Any permit documentation, HOA approval, utility locate confirmation, anything that authorizes the work to happen. Then you'll have the change orders folder. Every change order for this job in one place, dated, signed, and filed. If a dispute ever comes up about what was added and when, you have a complete record. When the job is complete, invoiced and paid, The entire folder moves from active jobs into the current year subfolder inside completed jobs. Done. Naming conventions matter more than most people think. A consistent naming system means you can find anything in seconds instead of minutes. It means new employees don't have to ask where things are. And it means the system stays organized without anyone having to police it. The rule is simple. Every file and folder name tells you exactly what it is without opening it. Job number, customer name, document type, date where relevant. No files named final or new version or copy of copy. On permissions, not everyone needs access to everything. Your crew leads need active jobs. Your office person needs everything. Your installers might only need the specific job folder they're working on that day. Google Drive lets you share at the folder level or the file level, so you can give exactly the right access to exactly the right people. View access for field crew, edit access for office and management, owner access for you only on sensitive documents like HR and finance. So here's the sequence. It takes about 2 to 3 hours start to finish. Create the master company folder and the 6 subfolders. That's 15 minutes. Build your job doc template in Google Docs. Copy the fields from Video 6 or build your own version. Save it in the templates folder. That's 30 minutes. Then build your scope of work template. The sections we covered in Video 8. What's included, what's excluded, materials, timeline, payment terms, change order language. Save it in templates. That's another 30 minutes. Now you move on to any existing job files you have into the system. Active jobs into active jobs, old jobs into completed jobs organized by the year. This takes as long as it takes depending on how much volume you have. Share the relevant folders with your team. Send them a 2-minute voice note or text explaining where to find things. From that point forward, every new job gets a folder. Every document goes in the right place. The system runs itself because the structure makes the right behavior the easiest behavior. Every system we've built on this channel lives somewhere. The work standard, the job document, the scope of work, the change orders, the job costing records, all of it has a home now. That's what a real operation looks like. Not perfect, not complicated, just organized enough that the right information is in the right place when the right person needs it. Next video, we're going somewhere I think a lot of people in this space are sleeping on. I'm going to show you how I actually use AI to build and run operational systems in a trades business. From real experience, not theory. The tools we talked about building throughout this channel, I've built versions of most of them with AI, and it didn't take a developer or a consultant. It took a few hours and the right prompts. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you next video.